How to fix authentication failed on Yahoo Mail on iPhone. So this kind of glitch can happen, especially when you don't have a stable internet connection. So first thing is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Also make sure that you have put right credentials like your correct email address and your password. So even after doing that, if it's still showing the authentication problem, then what you can do is try to update your app. So for that, get to your app store, then get to the search page by simply tapping on search icon right here, then tap on the search bar right here, then start typing Yahoo Mail. Just like this, here we can see Yahoo Mail, tap on it, then we'll search for the application. Here you can see Yahoo Mail right here, tap on it. And then currently you can see there's only open option because my application don't need any kind of requirement of updating. If there is any kind of update requirement, there will be the update option. Simply tap on it, wait for a few seconds, and your Yahoo Mail will successfully be up to date. So after doing that, you can simply open the application and try to check if it's working or not. But if it's still showing the same issue, then what you can do is simply offload the application. So for that, we can get to your iPhone's settings. Then from here, scroll down, tap on General. After doing that, tap on iPhone Storage. Then after doing that, scroll down, and then from here, try to search for Yahoo Mail. Here, tap on Show All in order to see all of the applications. And then from here, you can see Yahoo Mail right here. Tap on it. Then tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App one more time. And just like that, we have successfully offloaded the application. Tap on Reinstall App one more time in order to reinstall it back to your phone. Wait for a few minutes. After waiting for a few minutes, here you can see we have successfully reinstalled the application. Now you can simply go back and open your Yahoo Mail and see if it's working or not. So even after doing all of this, if it's still not working, then it might be the issue with Yahoo itself. Yahoo's server might be down. So if you want to check that, you can open Safari or any kind of browser. And in your browser, what you can do is tap on the search bar, then start typing downdetector.com. So after typing downdetector.com, simply tap on search, then we'll get to the official site of Down Detector. And then from here, tap on the search bar right here and start typing Yahoo Mail. Here you can get the Yahoo Mail option, tap on it and simply search for it. And in here, you can see user shows currently no problem with the application. So if it says that user shows some kind of error on the application, it will simply be shown in the message right here. So all you need to do is wait for a few hours because sometimes their server might be down and it might be the issue with that. And all you need to do is wait for a few hours, and within few hours, you can open the Yahoo Mail and see if it's working or not. And yeah, that is it. These were some few steps that you can try to fix authentication failed on Yahoo Mail on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.